In the heart of Sheffield, where innovation meets tradition, Pryor marking technology has been a beacon of excellence for over 175 years. From the very birthplace of stainless steel, we've pioneered marking and traceability solutions that redefine industry standards. We're committed to the local community and are proud to be owned by a charitable trust. Our journey began with manual marking products, laying the foundation for our success. Today, we honor that legacy while continuously evolving to meet the dynamic needs of our customers. Enter our world of precision with Pryor's comprehensive range of equipment. From manual stamping to cutting-edge laser technology, our portfolio ensures permanent part marking with unmatched accuracy. Our product range is divided into 3 categories: hand tools, marking machines, and custom solutions, each tailored to elevate your manufacturing processes. Whether you need precise manual tools or automated systems, we have you covered. At Pryor, we're not just innovators, we're pioneers. With the broadest range of marking machines globally, we redefine what's possible in the realm of identification. Our commitment to innovation drives us to develop solutions that exceed expectations. But we don't stop there. Our mission is to tackle your most complex engineering challenges head-on, ensuring your business operates at its peak performance. From customized solutions to comprehensive support, we're with you every step of the way. We serve an extensive customer base, encompassing the automotive and aerospace industries, along with countless precision engineers who empower global manufacturers in crafting their unique products. As a world-leading supplier of identification technologies, we're committed to pushing boundaries. Our cutting-edge products, automated solutions, and traceability software set new industry standards and empower businesses worldwide. Whatever your needs may be, Pryor has the solution. Visit our website or give us a call to discover how we can elevate your manufacturing journey and drive your success forward.